Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia if today is your first time here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make beef in black bean sauce, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's get started. For my ingredients, I have here black bean in garlic sauce, Chinese cooking wine, sesame oil, soya sauce, oyster sauce, garlic and onion olive oil, and bicarbonate of soda. For the beef, I'm using roasting beef that I've already cut into flats and tiny pieces. I also have here broccoli and green beans. I have here red, yellow and green bell peppers, chopped spring onion, chopped onions, corn flour, salt, crushed garlic, sugar and white pepper. So I'll begin by marinating the beef with half a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, and to it I'll add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, one tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And I'll add about 2 tablespoons of water, and I'll mix well to combine. Next, I'll use a cling wrap to cover it and set it aside for about half an hour in the fridge. So let's go ahead and make the sauce for the stir fry. I have here 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of black bean and garlic sauce, about 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, I'm going to mix very well and set it aside. So I have my wok heated very hot, and to it I'm going to add about half a cup of oil, and I'll wait for it to heat more. Next, I'll add in the ginger and garlic and stir well. And to it, I'm going to add the beef. Next, I'm going to stir it quickly to avoid it from sticking together. And I'll be stirring it on a high heat for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to remove it and set it aside. So there is still enough oil in the pan, and I'll go ahead and add in the chopped onions. And to it, I'll add the vegetables. And I'll give it a quick stir. And for the vegetables, it's supposed to be very crunchy, so you don't have to overcook it. And to it, I'll add the beef. Next, I'll add in the sauce mixture. And the spring onions. And I'll also add the yellow, red, and green capsicum. I'll give it a quick stir, and we are done. Our beef in soya bean sauce is all done, smelling very nice. And you can pair this sauce with plain rice. Very simple and easy to make. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you have enjoyed this recipe. And thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.